Who please?
Why are you always flirting around me?
Sorry for disturbing you. I don't know how to express my feeling.
What's that?
I've been crushing on you on this one.
So what do you want?
Okay. I want if you can be my girlfriend.
Okay, accepted, but stop coming around this place because my dad is a military personnel, okay?
Serious?
Yeah.
Okay, so I don't know. Can I get your contact?
Sure.
I'll call you.
God have mercy upon us.